Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install an application on your Xiaomi TV. First of all, make sure that your TV is connected to the internet. So you can go to the settings by pressing the gear icon, then selecting network tile and finding the network that has a connected status next to it. Or if you are using the Ethernet cable, then make sure that that your Ethernet cable provides signal to your TV, and after that we're gonna have to open the native store application, so the App Store in this case, and then we have different tabs at the top which we can navigate through. We have our app library, of course, which stores all the apps that we installed on this TV. Features, applications, games, and all categories from which we can choose the application to install. And of course, we have the search tab where we can open the search field and either start entering the name of our application or also use our voice assistant to just name the application and easily find it. So just select the application that you want to install. I don't think it's an application. Okay, so for example, the Apple TV. And now to install this application, just select Get option and wait until this application is downloaded on your TV. And once it's installed, we can open this app by pressing the play icon. Additionally, we can also open this application from the app library. So let's go back to the App Store and select App Library, and here we're gonna have our Apple TV among other applications. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.